Alright, this is how to clean the filter of the ATF, right? Yeah. So, and you can see it from the sump of the ATF. These are the two magnets, magnet 1 and 2, to trap tiny particles of dirt. So they all will be cleaned. We'll clean the sump, but most especially what we want to focus on here is cleaning the filter itself. You can see, so you can use solvent like kerosene to clean the filter, and you clean the body. Then most importantly, this is the point where the wire gauze is for sheathing, for cleaning the ATF before going into the engine. So you can see, you apply more kerosene to clean it, then you put more kerosene inside and wash inside as I'm doing this way. Then you shake as I'm shaking it, shake. Then the kerosene, the one we wash, will be coming out from this place, so that you can wash it very clean. I want to open this so that I can add more kerosene into it. So you can use this to wash it. Wash. Shake it well, so that all particles can come out from there. All right, so you can see what the particles are coming out. There you see some tiny particles. You can see in my hand, tiny particles of metals coming out from the filter. You can see. So okay, then the next thing to do is to wash the magnet as well. Wash the magnet so that it will not be contaminated, it will not be saturated with dirt. When you wash it, then it will be in readiness for another operation. Okay, so you wash the two magnets, wash it so that they can be free of dirt, and they can be good and ready to trap the metal particles and other dirt from the ATF inside the sump. Okay, then before that, we can likewise wash the ink container containing the sump, containing the ATF and the magnets inside. So you can wash it clean, very clean. Then the water, you can add more kerosene so that it can wash completely to prevent dirt. And because when dirt come inside of the sump, it becomes a problem, so it can damage metal parts. So okay, all right, you can apply more until when it is clean. Apply more until when you can see it's a bit better now. So it's a bit cleaned now. Okay, so the sump is clean. Then let's go back to the magnet. The magnet too must be very clean. Very clean. Though it's so dirty because it has trapped a lot of metal particles. So we can put the magnet here. Then we can still come back to wash the filter as well. You see, you need to wash the body also. The body must be clean, because everything will still go back into the transmission or transaxle. Everything will go back into the transmission or transaxle. All right, so you can see it's clean now. Wash it clean. Understand? It's wash clean. It's clean. Okay, so everything is wash clean. It's wash clean now. Okay, good.